Hey guys, what's happening? How to log into Instagram using Facebook. So go ahead and open up your Instagram, right? And then what you're gonna do, click your profile icon at the bottom right, click the three bars at the top right. Then simply what you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here in the account center on Meta, you're gonna see your profiles right here, right? And you can see that I have already logged in using my Instagram credentials, and I can also add a Facebook credential because Facebook and Instagram are linked by the same developer, Meta. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just scroll a little bit down and add account. So I'm gonna click add account and log into an existing one. I'm gonna use another profile. And I'm gonna simply use my Facebook. Right? So as you can see, I'm gonna use my Facebook credentials, right? And I'm gonna immediately log in using my account, right? Or I could just simply use Instagram to link my Facebook account, right? I'm gonna use Meta to log in with my Facebook credentials. So I'm gonna go ahead to the accounts right here at the bottom, and then click add account, and I'm gonna add Facebook account, and easily add your Facebook account. And now you're gonna be able to log in using your Facebook. Alright, you can log in to your Instagram using Facebook. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.